Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, Meteorology Unleashed here. So today I'm going to be breaking down the weather for tonight. As you know, the weather has been hectic today. We have seen multiple tornadoes. Today we have seen PDS tornado warnings and others. So we will dive right into this video. But first, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out. So let's hop right into the video. Right now, I just want to show y'all these three quick things before we hop into the weather forecast. So right now, Ryan Hall, y'all, is live. He's covering a bunch of weather, and he's got storm chasers and everything. Also, Max Velocity is live. He has tornado chasers, storm chasers. This is Radar Omega. Both of these guys are using. If you don't know what that is, it is a weather radar. Costs about $8.99 to download, but it is the best weather radar that you could ever have. It shows you tornado warnings, and you can also pay for subscriptions if you want. You do not have to have the subscriptions, but if you want them, you can pay for them. So he is just showing you some live weather coverage. And then we have Ryan Hall, y'all, extra channel. He has got his 24/7 national radar and weather alerts. And when you see up here, this at the top, the weather intensity score, that's how intense the weather is. It's supposed to be in the 50s, that's where it's quiet. But right now it's 279.92, so that's extreme active. So we got quiet, active, and extreme earlier. We saw it at 400 because it was really extreme earlier. So make sure you go check out these channels, subscribe to them. Also, Ryan Hall, y'all, he has a membership. I was gifted that for Christmas, and so far I am loving it. So y'all should go check that out. It costs about $9.99 a month, $9.99 a month for the one I'm using. So make sure you go check out that. So let's hop right into the video. So right now we have a moderate risk in the red area, enhanced in the orangish area, slight down here in the yellow. So about 15 million people are affected in the slight. 2 million are affected in the moderate. Enhanced is 3 million. And then for the marginal, we have 12 million. So we need to stay weather aware as we go into tonight through today. We also have a chance for some tornadoes to form, which we have already seen through today. We have a 15% chance hatch risk of tornadoes in the red. So about 2 million in the red. And then when we go to the 10%, we have a 10% hatch risk. And we have about 3 million down here in the area population. 5% within any given point. And that's about 12 million people in that area. And then 2% up here in Tennessee, where it's more large. We do have suspicions through tonight that we might see a few tornadoes. So stay weather aware while you are sleeping. Have your alerts on in case there is a tornado warning, and be prepared if there does come a tornado warning because you want to have alerts. So let's get into the wind threat. So right now we have a 45% hatch risk of wind. So that is some pretty strong wind. We have a 30% chance of wind right here in the red. Pink is 45. Yellow is 15%. And then 5 is the it's not really that big actually, except for it has 12 million people affected. So we need to stay weather aware. And then the hail threat is pretty big down here in Louisiana, some parts of Texas and Alabama and Mississippi. Some in Tennessee, not that big. So also we need to stay weather aware. If you are affected by a tornado warning later tonight, you need to make sure you are not in a mobile home because those will be destroyed if you are in a tornado warning. So make sure you are not in any tornado warnings with a mobile home because that will not be good. Also, you need to get to the lowest shelter, place in your building with shelter. You do not want to go outside. I know a lot of y'all want to see these things probably, but it's not the best idea to go outside and see these things as they do progress pretty quickly, as I've seen today. And Ryan Hall, y'all, has talked about that a lot. So just make sure you don't go out there and see them because you do not want to get sucked up by one of those bad guys. Also, let's go into today's GFS model and see what's happening. So right now we have this long line of thunderstorms. So that is going to continue through parts tomorrow. And then as you can see tonight, right in here, that is when all this bad weather is going to move into parts of Tennessee through Alabama. So just make sure you stay weather aware. And then as we can see, it moves out by Monday. So that is nice. Another round coming in Tuesday, and then it will all move out. Also, we see some snow up here. So you do want to make sure you don't have any snow winter warnings because you can get trapped inside your home if you are in a winter weather warning. Especially with snow, if there is a blizzard, you do not want to be stuck in that. That would not be good. So we also have the European model. So we'll go check out this. This one's a more future one, whereas the GFS is like not as future realistic. So we'll just go check this out and see what's going on for today. So as we can see, those storms right there, did you see that? All that bad weather that is in Louisiana and Mississippi right now, it's going to move up into the Tennessee Valley and in Nashville some parts. So make sure you stay weather aware for that. Also, we have some snow up here. Some more rain coming in on Tuesday. Then it will move out. So make sure you keep an eye out for that. And I will have probably another video coming out if the weather does get bad. Right there. And then Monday, the January the 6th into the new year, we have some more weather coming in to Tennessee through Mississippi. So make sure you stay weather aware. Also, we have this big line of snow coming in. So let's just take a look at all that. And then it should all be moved out. So we just want to make sure we stay weather aware as we are going into today. Let's take a look at Radar Omega and see what's going on here. So we'll close this out. Then we'll bring in Radar Omega and see what's going on. Okay, so it looks like we have 24 alerts, 6 tornado warnings. We have some for St. Helena, Louisiana. As the time, these will probably be dissipated, but I just wanted to talk to y'all about tonight so you are weather aware. We do have a particularly dangerous situation, so you do want to take cover when those come into play. Because that means a storm chaser or local authorities have spotted a tornado. So make sure you stay weather aware as you go into the day about those. We'll take a quick look at this just to make sure nothing bad. So we have a tornado signature right here. It's where the green is going up, red going towards. So that, with the collision, forms a tornado. So you want to be sure that you're not in any of those. These warnings and threats will continue today into some tomorrow. Also, I did want to show you one quick thing on the SPC Outlook I forgot to show you for tomorrow. So we have slight risk up here through North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and some parts of Florida, also Virginia up here. We don't have that big of a tornado risk, but still 5% chance. So you do want to be on the lookout for tornado warnings tomorrow as you go into tomorrow. Also, we have a 15% wind chance and 5% hail. So we just need to keep an eye on those. Also, if you go check out Ryan Hall, y'all, Discord, he has his own Discord on here, and it'll show you his tweets and stuff that he has done, and all of his posts. So Corey Gherkin, one of the storm chasers, took this of a tornado that happened earlier. This was a pretty big tornado that hit. Bob Pack took this, and then as we can see, Jordan Hall with his drone, he took this pretty nasty photo. You can see the tornado down here. Earlier we did have a water spout of some. So right here, I don't know if y'all can see it, but there is a tornado right in there. So we did see that. Also, these are just some updates he has done from earlier. But yeah, just stay weather aware as you go into the rest of today. We do want to keep y'all updated, so if you don't mind going to subscribe to my channel, as well as Ryan Hall, y'all, he will be live for at least 12 hours. He's streamed for 5 hours, so he'll probably go to 12 hours. So make sure you go watch him as he's talking about all this bad weather. Also, Max Velocity, he is talking about a bunch of bad weather out there. He will stay live for a little bit. I don't know how long, but y'all just need to keep an eye out on that. Also, if you are a member of Ryan Hall Y'all Extra, you can chat on this thing, and this bot right here, it's called the Y'all bot. Ryan Hall Y'all created it. You should really go check that out. It just relies updates as they're coming in. And as I've been making this video, the weather intensity score is now 336. It'll probably continue to skyrocket as this video is over, but just keep an eye out for that. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching the video today. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to stay weather aware as you go into today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It just helps this channel out a whole lot because we do want to get to at least 1 million subscribers or 1,000 by the end of 2025. So make sure you hit that subscription button as well as the notification so you get notified every time I post a new video. Also, as I mentioned, don't forget to subscribe to Ryan Hall, y'all, and Max Velocity as they are relaying weather updates today to you and as they are talking to you. But thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share this video so it can get out there so other people know what's going on with the weather. But thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day.